Epic Games Launcher showing self-update failed? Don't worry. Here are 7 proven fixes to get your launcher working again.
This error appears when the launcher cannot finish its own update. It tries to download patch files and install prerequisites, but something goes wrong. You might see error codes like SUPQR1603 or SUPQE1223. The good news is that this is a software-level issue, and you can fix it.
Fix number 1. This is the most effective solution. Right-click your Epic Games Launcher shortcut and open Properties. Go to the Shortcut tab. At the end of the target field, add a space and type "SkipBuildPatchPrereq." Then go to Compatibility and enable Run as Administrator. Launch the launcher and check if the update completes.
Fix number 2. The launcher needs Visual C++ redistributable libraries to run its update engine. If these files are missing or broken, the update fails. Go to Microsoft's official download page. Download both x86 and x64 versions. Install them all and restart your PC.
Fix number 3. Simply right-click the Epic Games Launcher and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the UAC prompt. This gives the launcher full permissions to write files and update the registry.
Fix number 4. Close the Epic Games Launcher completely. Press Windows key +R. Type %local app data %\Epic Games Launcher \saved. Delete the web cache folder. The launcher will rebuild it automatically when you restart.
Fix number 5. Outdated Windows can block prerequisite installations. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install all available updates and restart your PC.
Fix number 6. Your antivirus might be blocking the update. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and temporarily turn off real-time protection. Run the launcher update, then immediately re-enable your protection. Fix number 7. This is the last resort. Use Revo Uninstaller to completely remove the Epic Games Launcher, including all leftover files and registry entries. Then download a fresh installer from the official Epic Games website and install it.
So why does this happen? The most common cause is missing or corrupted Visual C++ redistributables. Permission issues and corrupted cache files are also very common. Antivirus interference, broken registry entries, outdated Windows, and proxy conflicts can also trigger this error.
That wraps up all 7 fixes. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.